Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up KoboldAI. First, navigate to the official KoboldAI GitHub page and download the latest client. Once the download is complete, locate the compressed zip file and extract its contents to a folder you can easily access. For Windows users, simply double-click the Start .bat file. If you are on Linux or Mac OS, open a terminal and execute Start .sh to begin the installation process. After launching KoboldAI, you'll need to choose an AI model. Your computer's graphics card memory, or VRAM, is a key factor here. Models can range from a few gigabytes to over 20 gigabytes. For creative writing, popular choices include Pygmalion or Novel AI. The interface provides a straightforward way to download these models directly, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. With your model downloaded, it's time to configure KoboldAI. You can fine-tune settings such as context size, which impacts how much text the AI considers at once, and generation parameters like temperature for creativity. Double-check that your selected model is properly loaded. Once everything looks good, simply click the Launch button to open the web-based interface and begin your AI-powered writing adventure. Now you're ready to interact with KoboldAI. In the main text area, type your story's beginning or a prompt for the AI to expand upon. When you're ready for the AI to generate text, click the Generate button. Feel free to experiment with various settings, like the repetition penalty or top P sampling, to guide the AI's output and achieve your desired narrative style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.